Hello, my name is Prapti.
Hello, my name's Opal.
And welcome back to another YouTube video. So we're still unboxing Opal's birthday presents. So which one should we unbox, Opal?
What about Scruff-A-Luvs?
Whoa, these look cool. So today we're gonna unbox
Scruff-A-Luvs.
You can get a pet dog or a pet cat. Let's open the box.
Oh yes. Oh, and then open like this, right?
Sure. So what's inside is this cute little Scruff-A-Luvs. It's so cute and
I
cuddly.
think this is a puppy.
I hope it's a cat.
Okay, I think it's a puppy.
He or she also has accessories. Also, there's a cute adoption certificate. Oh my god, it's making so much noise. I think it's shivering. Let's give it a warm bath. Ready, say. I think this is a kitty. It's sitting down. Aww. This is so cool. OMG, I see its eyes. I think this is a puppy. Wait, I think this is a kitty. OMG. Look at her. Oh, so cute. She's super cute. Oh. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. She's saying meow, meow, meow. So she just had a relaxing warm bath. Now let's dry her. Oh, she has so much water on her. Oh my gosh. Okay, now let's lay her on the towel. Oh. Oh, it's so cute. She's so cute. What should we name her? Kitty? Kitty cat? Kitty cat! So we just air dried her and her hair is still wet. So we're gonna blow dry her hair. Ready? Steady? So look at her. So we just blow dried her. Now she's so cute, cuddly, and warm. Now let's open the accessories. Okay, I'll open them there. What's inside are this combers to brush her hair. We'll do that. And there's this name tag here. And we have a water bottle. Let me open this up.
A choker.
No, a collar. A collar. Yeah.
It's color.
First, let's brush her. We're gonna have to brush her a lot. We just brushed her hair. Now let's put on her collar. So first we're gonna write Kit Kat, because her name is Kit Kat. Okay. Kit Kat. Now let's put her name on the collar. There, now let's put it on. So, introducing Kit Kat. She's just so cute. Now we should feed her. Is she sleeping or is she sipping? I think she's snoring. Let's put her to sleep. Let's wake her up. Let's feed her. She finally drank.
Let's pat her.
She's drinking.
Let's pat her.
Look at her. She's drinking. Okay, I think she's done. Okay, this is just so cute.
Look at her.
Okay, she's sleeping.
Let me hold her.
Okay. She's so pretty. Kit Kat is seriously the best Scruff-A-Luvs in the world. We had so much fun unboxing these Scruff-A-Luvs.
So that was my absolutely favorite